Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best deals at Target and at Walmart for the week. I feel like it's a really good week at both stores. I am filming the video a little bit earlier than I normally do. Normally I film it Tuesday night or really early Wednesday morning, and I think it's before noon. So I did my shopping a little bit early this week. So I'm going to walk you through the best deals. A couple of other things I want to mention before I get into it. One, I need your help. If you don't mind answering this question for me in the comments. So I am going on the news again to talk about unique and affordable holiday gift ideas. And I'm really excited to share some ideas with people. But I know the word affordable is different depending on your income level. But I'm really curious, what would you consider an affordable gift idea that you would love to receive or that you really love to give? And I asked this question over on my Instagram, and I'm loving reading the answers, and it really does help me brainstorm as I'm putting together what I want to talk about on the news segment, and then I'm going to be writing an article on the information as well. So thank you in advance for dropping your answer to that question, affordable holiday gift ideas, and it can be for anyone, teachers, spouse, children, friend, service workers, anyone that you give gifts to that you have a great idea for, or something that you've received in any of those roles that you liked. I would love to know. This week has been crazy. I feel like I say that every week. This past weekend was so fun because Friday, we ended up using our Get Out Pass, and we went to Zoo Lights, which was really neat, but apparently they were having camel rides, so we rode a camel, which was fun. If you haven't checked out the Get Out Pass, I do have an amazing discount code. So go to getoutpass.com. They're in 21 different states, but like you buy the pass once and then it gets you into a bunch of different places for free after that. And if you use the code Christina, that's the highest discount that they offer. So I think when I went in there, they had like holiday or something that took off like $50. And then when I switched the code to Christina, it took off $55. So definitely check it out. Use the code Christina if you want to snag one of those for your family or as a gift. I have one for each of us. So you would buy one for each person in the family, and then you get into all of these things for free. The other thing I wanted to tell you, this morning I woke up and I saw that Pillsbury was doing an offer. If you signed up for their emails, you got access to like coupons, exclusive coupons, and then access to some free samples. I'll drop that link down below as well. Okay, I think that was everything I wanted to tell you. To start off, no, I'm doing a giveaway over on Instagram. So pop on over to my Instagram at Save with Christina to get entered to win a $50 gift card. So definitely check that out. Okay, let's talk Target. Remember last week I told you there was a spray and wash deal and then it ended up going away, so I didn't talk about it. Well, the spray and wash deal is back. It's a little bit different. I'm going to tell you how I did it, as well as how I've seen other people do it that comes out a little bit cheaper, but I wasn't able to do it that way. So the spray and wash, I grabbed the spray and wash Max. They're priced at $4.39. When you buy two, you get a $5 gift card. I also had 50 cents back on Ibotta. So $4.39 times 2, you get a $5 gift card, $1 back on Ibotta, making your final cost $2.78 for both of them, or $1.39 each. Now, a couple of caveats to this. Some of you may have $1 rebate on Ibotta, so you'll get $2 back instead of $1, so that would make it even cheaper. Now, if your store sells the $2.99 spray and wash, my store didn't have them. I've heard that those are also working with the $5 gift card promotion. So you'd buy two at $2.99. That's just short of $6. You get the $5 gift card back, as well as whatever your Ibotta offer is. So 50 cents back for each of them, or $1 back for each of them. So it could be as low as free up to what I paid, $1.39 for each of them. So that is a decent deal. Not as good as the Truvia. So this is an incredible Shopkick deal. These are priced at $7.99. There is a $2 digital coupon in the Target app, so you're going to pay $5.99. Then submit your receipt to one app, Shopkick, and you're gonna get back $7.60. It was at 1,900 kicks, okay? So that's $7.60 that I got back just from Shopkick. Now, I also used the Makina app, and there was an offer on there as well for 25 cents back. So my final cost was completely free and $1.86 moneymaker. Now this offer reset for me as soon as it processed. So that $2 Target Circle offer isn't going to be there, but there is a $2 coupon on coupons.com. So you could pay full price, then just submit your receipt to coupons.com to get $2 back there if you don't have that $2 Target Circle. Now, Makina is an app that has more like organic and better for you type products. If you use my referral code, you're going to score an additional $1 when you download and start using that app. Now, another great deal on that $5 gift card is on these vitamins. So these kids multivitamins, the Up and Up, it is the 70 count. They're priced at $3.79. Now, the store said something higher. Like when I scanned them, I think they said $4.69 or something. But they rang up $3.79 for 2 of them. You get back a $5 gift card. And there's a 10% Target Circle offer on these. So I actually paid $7.32 at the register, then got back that $5 gift card, making them both $2.32 or $1.16 each. Another Shopkick offer, we talked about this last week. It's gone up and down, so always check your Shopkick app before doing these deals. Because you want to know exactly what the offer is before you buy it. Now, the Grove Collaborative dish soap is $4.99. My Shopkick was giving back $4.08, making it 91 cents for scanning it and buying it. Another Shopkick deal is on this True Skin. I grabbed the hyaluronic acid. This one was priced at $16.99. There's lots of rebates on this little guy though. There is a rebate for $5.04 on Shopkick. There is a $4 rebate on Ibotta, and you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get $5 back there as well, making your final cost for this $16.99 item just $2.95. So a great addition to a gift basket for someone that you love, or if you just want to get something for yourself at an awesome price. Now, the Snuggle, this is another buy 2, get a $5 gift card deal. And yes, you can combine them. Like I had multiple buy 2, get a $5 gift card in my cart when I checked out, and it'll just give you like a $10 gift card or a $15 gift card instead of like 3 $5 gift cards, if that makes sense. So these dryer sheets are $5.99. There's a $1.50 Target Circle coupon. So you're gonna pay $10.48. You're gonna get a $5 gift card back. Then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app, where you're gonna get a $1.50 back for the other one that you purchased, making your final cost $3.98 for both of them, or just $1.99 each. Now, I believe that was everything I got at Target. There were some Target Circle offers that were like 50% off and 40% off. Nothing that I needed for my family, so I didn't purchase those, but always check your Target Circle offers. You can go into where it says Target Circle offers and then search by discount, and it will show you highest discount to lowest discount. All right, let's talk about Walmart deals. Now, this one that I'm gonna tell you first, it could have changed because I did this one at the end of the week last week, but it was on these brisk drinks at Walmart. I noticed I had a $1 rebate and the limit was $5. Now, I know these are only $1.18 at Walmart, so I paid 18 cents for each of them, and I did purchase 5 of them because why not at 18 cents? Now my offer came back as 30 cents back on each, which obviously isn't as good of a deal, but definitely check your Ibotta app. If you don't know what Ibotta is, it is a cashback app. I have a complete tutorial on it. It's completely free to use, but it gives you cash back for buying items that you might be buying anyway. Grab it with my referral code to score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. So let's talk food first, okay? So one of the new ones was on the Hungry Jack pancake mix, $2.77. You get $1 back on Ibotta, $1 back on the coupons.com app, making your final cost just 77 cents. Great donation item. Another really good donation item or an item for your family at the holidays. My son loves these green beans. This 4-pack, the Del Monte 4-pack is $5.38, but Shopkick had an offer for $3.20 back, so that makes it $2.18 for 4 cans of the name brand green beans. And like I said, for some reason, my son, like at Thanksgiving, half of his plate these green beans. Another offer, these I did last week. Did them again because there was that $1 bonus for buying 5, so I did hit that $1 bonus. But I got the pastaroni at $1.22. You get back 50 cents on Ibotta, making this just 72 cents. And this one, I believe, was also a limit of 5, so you could pick up 5 of them. There was an offer for the rice-a-roni as well. Same price point, $1.22, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. Now this Near East, again, my son loves this brand of the pearled couscous as well as the rice pilaf. This one is $2.33 with a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta. Anytime I see this brand come up on Ibotta, I max it out because this is something that he loves. So it makes my final cost $1.58 for this rice. A cheap offer is on these Firewalk bowls. They're only $1.54 to begin with, but there's a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta. So it makes your final cost 79 cents. I won't be trying that one. This one, I haven't seen anyone talking about this one. Is it Hue? I'm not sure how you pronounce it. The chocolate bars. And these bars are $3.98 a piece. $4 chocolate bars. So the offer is buy 2, get 1 free on Ibotta, but they value that at $6.50. So you want to buy 3 at $3.98. You're going to get $6.50 back on Ibotta. Now, the Makina app also had 25 cents back. This is also one of the offers on the Merryfield app. It's just one of their brands that you can get points back on all the time. So I got another 64 cents back on Merryfield, making my final cost $4.55 for all 3 of them, or just $1.52 each. And I was going to use these as to add to some Christmas gifts. If y'all aren't using Merryfield, again, it's kind of like Makina in the fact that it's better for you brands. I think that the Merryfield app is a little bit easier to use. Grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional bonus when you scan that first receipt. Now, I think that was all the food items, so non-food. I talked about this last week, and it did process without any issues. A couple of you asked. I picked up the Suave shampoo at $2.94. There was a Shopkick rebate for $2.72 back, making it 22 cents for each of these. You could get one of the pink ones and one of the green ones. Yesterday, it disappeared from my app, so you're just going to have to check your app to see if it's still there for you. Sometimes if I'm in one part of town, I have different offers than if I'm in another part of town, so it's hard for me to know, did the offer disappear, or is it because I'm like physically located somewhere else and I just can't see it anymore. Now the Safeguard soap, I looked for this last week and couldn't find it. Went to a different Walmart this week and saw it. These Safeguard soaps, the Cozy Almond scent is $2.97. You'll get back 50 cents on Ibotta as well as $2.04 on Shopkick, making your final cost just 93 cents. And no, that's not right. I'm looking at the math on this. That's not right. $2.54 minus $2.97 is 43 cents, right? Do that math real quick. I'll fix that for you guys. The Johnson's, I mentioned this in a video last night. CVS has a great deal on Johnson's this week using the Shopkick app, so definitely check out my Instagram reel on that. But if you just wanted to pick up the soap at Walmart, you could pick up this soap for $1.98, get back $1.84 on Shopkick, making it just 14 cents. But the CVS bundle deal is a better deal. If you want to check out that reel, if I remember, I'll link it for you down below. Now, I think that was everything that I got. Nope, the Schick razor, $5.97. There is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, as well as $3 back on coupons.com, making it just 97 cents for the razor. And as I'm grabbing the razor, I think I forgot to tell you about the All as well. So the All, this is just a decent deal for laundry detergent if you need it. It's $3.47, giving you back $2 on Ibotta, making it just $1.47 for this thing of laundry detergent. Now, that is everything. If you have questions, please let me know down in the comment section below. Hope you guys are having an amazing week. Thanks.